Hey everyone, Tom Kent here, and in this video what we're going to be doing is talking about compounding. So Income Access have just recently got this new compounding calculator. Okay, it's very easy to use. So let's start this number off with only $400. So this is the minimum for the 7% daily plan. I recommend going in with at least $500 just to really make a bit more money. So let me see, just $500. So you'll be earning $35 daily. 50% will be compounding, so you earn $17.50. You're able to withdraw your deposit to be withdrawn after 22 days is $1,065. Your total daily withdrawals during the 22 days is $565, and your total profit is $1,600. Okay, so let's put this at $1,600. So if you guys come in at $1,600, you'll be earning $112 daily. It'll be compounding at $56, and towards the 22-day margin you'll be earning $3,410. Daily withdrawals during the 22 days is $1,800. The total profit is $5,200. Oh, let's just cancel that. $5,220. So obviously we're going to go in again. 5,000. What was it? 5220. Here we go. So daily profit is $365. You'll be compounding $182. Your daily earnings will be $365. Your compounded amount is $182, and that's obviously changing throughout the days, so you earn more money every single day. Your deposit to be withdrawn after 22 days is $11,126. Your daily withdrawals during the 22 days is $5,906. And then your total profit, guys, on the 23rd day is $17,032. Okay, so we're gonna go in for $15,000 this time. So you'll be earning $1,050 a day on $15,000. That's insane. Deposit to be withdrawn after the 22 days is $31,972. Daily withdrawals during the 22 days, $16,972. Total profit is $49,000. So let's put $40,000 in here. Okay. You don't have to do this. This is just for examples, but this is probably what I'd do. So, geez, $130,000, and then I'll put $100,000 in. $1,010, $100,000, earning $7,000 daily. Dang. Compounding $3,500. Geez, look at this, $326,000. So really, in 180 days, you can earn this amount of money, starting at $1,000 or $1,600. I think I started it out. So guys, it's very doable. I mean, look at this. These numbers, it's only for 23 days. Okay, or 22 days, and then you get the rest of it on the 23rd day. So guys, it's on 50% compound, so it's amazing, really. Your compound amount on the 22nd day, it's $1,208. That's insane. Alright guys, so if you've got any questions about the compounding calculator, you can download it. It's an Excel file. You can use it on Mac or on Windows. If you want to download this, let me know. All you need to do is join the Facebook group, okay? So type add me on this post on the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Alright guys, send a like on this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.